Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August, and it is valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Virgo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling left out in the cold. Somebody is feeling like you did something really wrong with them or you betrayed them in some way, shape, or form, and you are not doing the justice with them. Just give me a second, honey. Yeah, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles. They're going through some kind of losses, and right now this person is in some kind of victim mentality, victim energy. Let's see. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles. We have the Emperor, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Wow, very harsh energies. This is somebody who is feeling like this person is waiting for some kind of action from your side so that they can reject you, or so that they can show you, wow, the show you their rude side. This person is very cold and off and detached and rude towards you right now, and they are waiting for the time when everything is going to be fine and they will be able to take some kind of revenge. Right now this person is full of, not hatred, uh, full of this energy of that Virgo made me suffer a lot, and I will show them someday that who I am. Because they themselves are so much in pain, they feel like you should also go through the same pain at least once in this lifetime. They're waiting for the time when they will be able to see the same pain that they are going through. Wow, quite a revengeful energy. This person is feeling like the universe should do justice with them, and someday the universe is definitely going to do justice with them, and you are going to go through the same pain that they're going through in some way, shape, or form. My god. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or energy from your side, Virgo? Page of Swords. You're watching somebody from a distance. You're at a distance from somebody. Although I think you still care for this person, you still have love for this person. But something happened between you guys, and there's a lot of distance between you guys. Physical distance, emotional distance, and you're watching this person from a distance. Let me clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the Eight of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. You feel like having a brand new beginning with them. You can't stop thinking negative about the situation, first thing. You can't stop thinking about this particular person or energy, second thing. At the same time, you're super confused. Is there ever going to be a chance between you guys to have a brand new beginning again in this lifetime? So you're watching this person from a distance. There's a physical distance between you guys. Okay, you can't, it's like you overthinking continuously. You are sad, you are depressed, and you feel like having a brand new beginning in this situation, but you don't know how, but you don't know what you should do in order to have that brand new beginning, because you can't stop thinking about this particular person or situation. This is somebody who's really very important to you. Yeah, you love this person, you care for this person, deeply love this person, but you don't know what you should do in order to have this brand new beginning. You are upset, you can't stop thinking about it, watching them from a distance, stalking them continuously, but don't know what to do. Let's see what this person wants from you. I think this is somebody who suddenly cut you out of their life because they felt betrayed. They felt some kind of not so good energy from you. I don't know what is happening. What this person wants from you. Queen of Wands. This person wants certain kind of action from your side. They're manifesting some kind of action from your side. Let me see what that is. Let me clarify the Queen of Wands. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Lovers. Wow. This person wants to manifest a connection with you. Oh my god. See, this person is silently manifesting this energy of you chasing them, wanting them to be there happily ever after kind of a deal, and then them rejecting you. It's like this person wants to reject you in some way, shape, or form. They want to manifest this energy of you chasing them so that they can reject you, or so that they can show you that they have lots of options to choose from. You are not their only option, or you are not the only person on this planet earth for them. They want to silently manifest this energy of you wanting them so badly that they can reject you, or that they can show you that they do have other options too. You are not the only one for them, but they definitely want you to give them some kind of solid offer. Right now, this person is in revengeful energies. For some of you, this person wants you to choose them over everything else or anything else, or over someone else or something else. But they don't have this intention of being with you. For some reason, I don't think this person wants to be with you. They just want you to chase them or choose them. What? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Eight of Swords. You just want to come out of this mental jail. You can't stop thinking about this situation. It's like continuously you are in some kind of mental jail. You can't stop thinking negative about the situation. Whenever you're thinking about this person or this situation, it's always negative thinking, always negative energies around them, around this situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. Yeah, you want to make this work out. You want to make this collaboration partnership work out, Virgo. You still have love for this person, you still have emotions for this person. You want to take some kind of action in order to make this connection work out, to make this partnership collaboration work out. First of all, you want to get out of this mental jail and think about the ways how to collaborate with this person so that you guys can make this work out in a beautiful way, in a creative way. So basically, you want to make this work out, and they are thinking that you are planning something bad behind their back, you are doing something bad behind their back. You are not a trustworthy person, you are not loyal, you are not honest, you are playing games with them, and you are doing exactly the opposite of what they are thinking. You are just trying to make things work out here, and they are thinking like you are trying to play games with them. What the hell is going on? You want to put in the effort and energy to make the situation work out. There might be an age gap, there might be maturity gap. The female might be elder. It's like one of you is immature emotionally or age wise, and the other energy is quite mature and quite secure and safe, and that is why this is kind of not being able to come together. So I think the female energy is quite hurt here, and the male counterpart is trying to make things work out, but the more they're trying to make this work out, the more it is failing. See, the roles can be reversed also, it's not always like that, but this is what I'm seeing. You want to make this work out, and you want to find ways to make this work out, but you guys are at a distance for some reason. Quite a distance between you guys. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of October. What could possibly happen? We have the Queen of Pentacles. I do see some kind of clarity, some kind of truth, some kind of revelation coming in. And I do see some kind of this energy of stability. Okay, let me clarify this Queen of Pentacles. Just give me a second. Ten of Wands, Three of Swords, Magician. Oh, You're trying your best to manifest this energy of stability, manifest this energy of I want to be together with you, I want to work on the situation between you and them. I do see dropping some kind of painful energies and manifesting this energy of let's work on this. Virgo, I think you are in pain. I can see that you're going through some kind of painful cycle because of whatever is happening in the situation. But finally, you are going to drop the pain and you are going to be in this energy of let me come back to my senses, let me be stable, let me be organized, let me be mature and grounded enough and manifest a good outcome for me and this particular energy. You are manifesting a good outcome for this particular person energy. Meanwhile, you are also gaining the strength and this courage of getting out of the pain, dropping the pain, and working on your own energies as well, working on your own personal growth and personal happiness and personal groundedness. Okay, so the outcome here is telling me that you will be finally dropping this burdensome, heavy, and painful kind of energy of whatever you are going through and manifesting a beautiful outcome for yourself. Okay, because you are going to get the mental clarity of you are going to gain the proper mental clarity about what you really want out of this particular person, out of this particular situation, and you will be manifesting that. You will start manifesting from that clear cut understanding that okay, this is what I want and this is how I want it, so let me manifest this. Okay, manifestation is going to be um, hmm, manifestation starting from this point onwards. Let's see the guidance for you guys. It's Mercury retrograde, so everything is messed up and fucked up right now, so stay calm till the 28th of August. From 29th of August onwards, energies will start shifting slowly but surely. So because of the Mercury retrograde, every sign is going to go through a lot of shit, so just be patient. Now we have the 10 of Pentacles, the 7 of Wands, and the 3 of Wands. Yeah, keep yourself protected. Just give me a what is happening, Virgo? Why you are giving me this much hard time today? Yeah, so the guidance here is the 10 of Pentacles, the 7 of Wands, the 3 of Wands. Okay, until unless you're 100% sure to go in a particular direction, until unless you're 100% sure that yes, you got your shit together, now you are ready to move forward in a particular direction, now you are ready to give the love, give the energies, give everything from your side, put in the effort and energy from your side in a particular direction. Until unless you're 100% sure, then don't go in that direction. Work on your healing, work on your self healing, self love, self care. Keep yourself protected from the energies or people or situations that drain you in any way, shape, or form, and keep moving forward in your life. Okay, because again, until unless you're 100% ready energetically as well, emotionally and mentally as well, you will not be able to go in that direction with the 100% efforts and then 100% energies, and it's going to backfire, I think. So it's better to wait for the time when you will be completely ready, when you will be completely in this energy of okay, now I got my shit together and now I want what I want and now I know what I want, and then move forward. So till that time, keep manifesting and work on your own energies. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.